To make a pigment transfer sheet, you're going to need the following materials: rubbing alcohol, blue tape, powdered pigment. I like to use red. Be careful not to breathe this stuff in. Also beware, it's very messy. And a cotton ball. I've got an old piece of glassine, and I've got a sheet of newsprint. Position the glassine over the center of the newsprint. Tape all four corners of the newsprint down, as well as all four corners of the glassine. Gently sprinkle some pigment into the middle of the glassine. You really don't need too much, a little bit goes a long way. Before you put the pigment jar down, make sure you replace the lid securely. Squirt a small amount of alcohol right into the pigment. Spread the pigment around with a cotton pad. You want to make sure that you work quickly enough that the alcohol doesn't evaporate before you have a chance to evenly distribute the pigment over the entire sheet of glassine. Once the alcohol has had a chance to dry, gently remove the tape from the corners of the glassine, and you have your pigment transfer sheet ready to go.